If you've been thinking about buying from modaverity.com, you're probably wondering one thing. Is this website actually legit? Well, I decided to take a closer look. First, I'd be careful with this one. I couldn't find enough reliable information or established customer feedback to confidently say modaverity.com is a trustworthy store. And that's already a red flag. When I shop online, I want to see clear company information, real customer reviews, a verifiable business presence, and a solid track record. If those things are difficult to confirm, I usually stay away. Another thing to remember is that a professional-looking website doesn't automatically mean it's legitimate. Scam stores can look very convincing. They can have polished product photos, big discounts, and even reviews displayed directly on the website. That's why I wouldn't rely only on what the store itself says. There are also reports about similarly named fashion websites, so it's especially important to make sure you're dealing with the exact modaverity.com domain and not another site with a nearly identical name. My advice is simple. Before placing an order, check the company's contact details. Look for independent reviews. Check the return policy. And most importantly, use a payment method that gives you some protection if something goes wrong. Personally, I wouldn't rush into buying from modaverity.com until I could verify more trustworthy information about the business. So, is modaverity.com a scam? I can't say that with certainty based on the information I found, but I also don't see enough evidence to confidently recommend it. For me, that means proceed with caution.